Hey guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. And today we are going to talk about how automation or RPA impacts retail. Global crisis due to COVID-19 has hit many industries. Retail is one among them. The pandemic is a reminder that there is a need to build flexible and agile business and operational model to take care of disruptions in the future and to get back to business, ensuring business continuity. Now is the time for all retail players to overcome the current crisis and invest in building a more resilient organization. Consequently, there is a greater resilience on the retail medium. Those who will be able to adapt responsibly to the product workforce, partner, and operations need will emerge as the winner during the post-COVID crisis. Ever increasing shopping trend where the minimal shopper is expecting much more than buying selling experience, retail industries have to take care of accelerated deliveries, e-commerce experience, user satisfaction, and post-sales support and satisfaction. Retail is all about details. It is anticipated that customer experience will grow in importance during and post the pandemic time. With mass unemployment and economy at its lowest, empathy and flexibility must be part of customer experience. Retailers must take care of excellent deliveries, e-commerce experience and user satisfaction, post-sale support and satisfaction. Now, let's talk about scope of automation in retail. The retail providers are expected to deep dive into the minute details to seamlessly improve the customer's experience. These minute details include each and every piece of information like price, product mix, demographics, store location, product placement, etc. These details help to develop and show brand promise, which when delivered leads to a flawless user experience. Now, how does RPA help in retail sector? Robotic process automation can help retailers stay relevant, effective, and optimized by helping them to automate mundane, repetitive activities, accelerate workflows, and optimize overall cost. Enterprises are acknowledging that the benefits of robotic process automation extend far beyond the cost of reduction and increased productivity. The bots are being used for a wide range of generic back office processes by executing routine administrative tasks faster, accurately, and consistently than humans can ever do. RP in retail can automate and seamlessly improve the workflow of most of the repeated tasks, such as inventory management, sales analytics, customer complaint management, and business reporting. Leveraging RPA can help business small or big in gaining a competitive edge, as well as pursue continual growth. Small businesses like convenience stores that rely heavily on distributed order management and fulfillment will benefit immensely from RPA and related retail technologies, especially in the post-COVID world. RPA will play a key role in determining the success of a venture as it increases the efficiency in small workforce. Now, let's look at some of the use cases of RPA in retail. Now, below are a few ways in which RPA can come handy and help the retail industry to cope with the circumstances created due to COVID-19. Our first use case is distributed order management and fulfillment. Unattended robots can be deployed to handle increased volume of essential items such as groceries, medicines, PPE, etc. Bots can balance orders and inventory in real time, avoiding backlogs and delays in delivering critical products. Similarly, another use case is supply chain collaboration and automation. Bots can be deployed to scan the system and collect available inventory details across all the products and map it against a production volume and generate a report for inventory management. Third use case is contactless payment. Bots configured with the logic of reconciliation can help segregate and reconcile the number of receipts by cash, check, coupon, and credit cards with 100% accuracy and much lesser handling time. Accelerating supplier onboarding. Here, automating procurement process such as extracting and sorting supplier information and quotation, contact management, and request for quotation packages resulting in accelerated supplier onboarding. The bots can also be leveraged to check the status with the supplier for order fulfillment on time. Handling surge in employee job application. So here, unattended bots can manage the surge in new applicants for the retailers and automate the employee selection process. So we'll say that apart from above mentioned use cases, there are many more tasks that can be automated within the retail space like business and sales analytics, demand, supply planning, ERP management, customer support process, and many more. These are exceptional and unprecedented times, and the promise of RPA automation holds for companies across industries is beyond doubt. As situation unfolds, several RPA automation adoption will further intensify, and more of such disruptive use cases will come to the forefront. If you really want to get rich, learn RPA from School of RPA. We have courses on Bluepism, UiPath, WorkFusion, Win Automation. For those of you who have experience or at least have 3 to 4 years of experience, you can do any one of these technical RPA courses. If you are not a technical person but still want to learn RPA, you can become an RPA business analyst. If you are a fresher and looking for a job, we recommend our business analyst training, which fetches a salary of 3.5 lakhs. So call us today on 940-9189 and ask us how you too can earn amount of money in IT industry. Thank you.